Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password on the Banggood application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this account button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Click on this settings button that can be found at the top on the right side. After that, tap on change password, which is the third option. First of all, you should type in your existing password to the first row. After that, type in your new password and re-enter it. Re-enter the new one and then click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, and basically if you have entered a password between 6 and 20 characters, then your password will be updated automatically and you will be able to log in with your new one. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.